Hi there. Today we're going to take a look at the estimated ink levels in a Brother MFC-J4340DW. Now, unlike some printers on the market, you get a little preview here so you can see roughly how much ink is in there. But if you need more information, just press up on the control panel. And the very first option we get is ink volume. So press OK. And we have a more detailed breakdown here. You can see as it decreases and even the estimated yields given along the bottom here. So you can see when a particular cartridge is running low and you're going to have to change it soon. If, however, you are wanting to check the ink volume due to a print quality issue you're experiencing, it's unlikely to be a cartridge running low. With how inkjet printers work, the manufacturers will always stuff as much ink as they can into the cartridge and hopefully leave you with a few drops regardless of how you print. So if it was a print quality issue that did lead you here, you're probably looking at doing some cleaning cycles or wanting to check out the improved print quality section of the printer, which is also available and we have separate videos for on our channel. Now, I hope you found this short video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to add, chuck it in the comments. Otherwise, take care and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.